Hi, I've got another magazine reveal for you. We have got the fantastic Indigo Blue box magazine here. Now this is the mixed media version, it's issue 2. If you remember back to issue 1, that sold out in 10 minutes. So we have allowed you to be able to pre-order this issue. You can pre-order it right now, but it's going to be available on the 27th, so you haven't got very long, and I am sure this one's going to fly as well. Shall we have a quick look inside and see what's in here? So of course you have the magazine, but you also have some extra tools that you're going to be using. And of course with all of our box magazines, you're going to have lots and lots of projects inside here using these tools. So immediately you're going to be able to get to work. Now we know that Indigo Blue are absolutely famous for their stamps and their stencils and things, but we have even more here as well. Let's take a look first of all at this stamp set. This is absolutely beautiful, okay? So we have gorgeous distressed backgrounds, we have some florals, we have a hot air balloon. Now don't forget, these are all exclusive designs, you won't find them anywhere else. We have steam train, we have beautiful sentiments and phrases as well. I am in love with this set, even down to the smaller elements like the paint drips here as well. To tie in with that, we also have a stencil. So this has the postmark and the butterfly in there, and it's got like this paint splat behind it. We have distressed dotted background, we have some stripes and some more ink splats there as well. There's going to be so much inspiration in here showing you how to use those. We then have the moth die as well. This is actually 2 dies because you have the detail inside and then you have the outer border that you can then cut out and matte and layer behind, contrasting colour behind. We have a beautiful floral embossing folder included as well. But take a look inside here. Now I won't ruin the surprise for you, I won't go through every page. Let's just have a little flick of the sort of projects that you could be making. We've got 3-dimensional projects, we've got tags in there as well. We've got things like step-by-step instructions, and we've got a variety of designers making beautiful projects in all different styles for you. I'm really excited. Look at these papers as well. Look how well they work with those stamps. Absolutely perfect. And the papers, of course, are always such an amazing quality. Double-sided, white core, they're smooth and they're matte, so they are absolutely perfect for stamping on. Even got some die-cut sentiments there, or some sentiments for you to cut out, sorry, in there as well. So make sure you pick up your issue of the Indigo Blue Mixed Media Special number 2, and you can pre-order that right now from craftstash.co.uk.